Hudson, Pickaway, and Union. High wind warning in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. West winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour expected. Where? Portions of east central Indiana, northern Kentucky, and central, south central, southwest, and west central Ohio. When? Until 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Here is a high wind warning for the following county.